wonder if y'all can see me. Very nice, very clear. I'm gonna go to the water.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away.
Okay, guys, I'm done with the boat. Zari over there going. Okay, yeah, she right there. She's going. Because Cynthia got to go last. Sorry, I was first. Let me tell y'all about my experience with the kayak. It was fun. It was good. I hope my pictures came out too. I'm back and we're eating at a reef place. I got a strawberry banana smoothie.
That's Rod.
To eat, I ordered me
just like Rod.
a chicken and shrimp fajita.
That's my twins right there. I didn't take no money.
It's good.
Hey Siri.
Y'all, they got me doing this thing right here and I'm scared because I don't know how to swim. And they're forcing me. But we're gonna see. What happened? Nothing, we can start just pull off. How long is it? 12 minutes. 12. Y'all, we finna parasail now. We just got done doing the I don't know what it's called, but y'all gonna see.
Y'all, I was spitting the whole time so I put it out my mouth. Didn't y'all see? Buku style. Oh.
But we're finna parasail. Ooh, Lord Jesus. Look how I look.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, wait, hold up.
That is pretty. Y'all, I'm scared. I'm up here and I'm scared. Cause like I'm by myself and this thing keep on pulling. Oh my God, I feel like what happened to Sarah? I'm dead. Up here just swinging my feet. Look at the view, guys. Y'all can watch the view with me. Okay, so basically I'm just talking to y'all while I'm up here because I don't have nobody else to talk to. And oh, now they want to pick up the speed. Oh shoot, I'm going up. Y'all too scared. I'm too scared. I'm by myself. If I was with somebody, I wouldn't be scared, but I'm by myself. I mean, I parasailed before when we was in Hawaii, but I can't do it, Lord Jesus. I can't do it. Jesus, please watch over me. But it's fun or whatever. Oh my God, I can't swim at all. Literally. It's a fish right there. I don't know if y'all can see the fish. We're just gonna have a show mom out here. Come and talk to me. Oh my gosh, what are those things called? They move in the water. Oh my Lord. I'm looking at it. Oh, this is so nice. Take me back. I hope they reeling me back in. I feel like they are. I feel like I'm going back. Good. Yeah, we were supposed to be eating, but this place we at, they close at 9 and it's 8:25. But it's cute out over here, but they close at 9. They're not finna see us. Oh yeah, looks the outfit.
Yeah. All that comes Rio fried blackened or sauteing coconut milk and bread.
Yo, they seen her. Oh, she showed us. Amber struggling to get up.
I thought it was where it came from.
It came
I
from right
seen
there.
about to call mine.
You seen it. You ain't said nothing.
Y'all got Sprite. This is what they give you every time I go to every restaurant. A can and some ice.
Yes. And then, what? Bacon, just bacon. Bacon? Yeah.
Thinking about getting
And
a
that's
black
it.
insurance.
Oh,
No
yeah.
pickle.
Somebody go before me.
Everything is on this side.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Good.
it's the mayo. Right
Okay,
here. I got chicken tenders again between.
Wait.
No more food. No more food. Okay.
Because I don't know why she gave me no coleslaw, baby. It's all your food.
I always.
Hey, that's what I'm saying. My food over here hot.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, this sauce is good. I'm put this on the burger. I don't know what sauce is. Can I taste it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
What
that is?
That's it. That's enough. That's enough.
The sauce ain't gonna go away good.
It is.
Oh, that is a coconut sauce.
Mine's real.
What did you get, Miss Shaya? Salad?
Yeah, I
Caesar salad with shrimp. Black and shrimp.
nice.
How you coconut?
It's good. Very good. I think he ready for us to go.
The fries well seasoned though.
I rate my food as 10 out of 10. It tastes like some oats. Oh, I thought that was their bird.
I thought it was red.
It was a bird, guys.
But if it was a rat, she would
Cindy, let me know your bag.
Morning, people. It is the next day, and it's 10:18, and we're finna go car jet skis. Oh, let me show y'all what I have on. Well, missing suits. These shoes. But yeah. Okay. They over there. And we picked orange, guys. And I'm driving because Central's already told me she don't feel like driving. But she's gonna record. It looks so good. So we're finna go, and I'm gonna hit Charlotte, and I'm gonna show y'all the footage that my mama get, and it was already some footage, so yeah.
Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie. I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She said, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run it, check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma slap on these fuck niggas every time they piss noise. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama runs. Bitch throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around the jump. Got the small talk.
Oh, we made it back off the jet skis. It was fun. Y'all, it was hard to drive. My hands was cramping so bad. I give a jet skis a 10 out of 10. By aftermath. Yeah. You had the goggles on though.
But that's when you told me I should have been recording. It got in my eye so bad. I couldn't open my eyes. It still do burn.
So much fun.
It was. I was like, I wonder what Miss Wendy back there saying.
And looking at you, I said, that thing Amber is adventuresome.
I'm sure. Oh, thank you. I'm sure just over there swerving. Here, you can get this one.
No, I'm just messing with
Oh,
her.
okay. We made it to the horseback riding place. Let me show y'all. I'm so critical. I'm excited to get on.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that outrun me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. Ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still love me? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something.
Guys, we just got done horseback riding and it was a 10 out of 10. It was so fun. And I realized every time we get done with something, they give us water. They give us water, but yeah, they give us water for free. Okay, y'all, this is like the second to last day that we out here, because today is Tuesday, and then we out here for one more night, and then we leave Thursday evening. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow's vlog. Good morning, guys. It's the next day and we're eating breakfast. It's simple. It's hot, and it's hot out here, but we're waiting on it. It's probably gonna be like 20 minutes. Now we move inside because outside too many bugs, but I got my food. I'll show y'all. It's an omelet with some onions, bell peppers, bacon, and sausage. I want some ice cream after this. Let me see how this jam tastes. This is supposed to be apple jam. It's alright. Gift shop. This is nice. Oh, I want one of them. I got shirts and stuff that say Turks and Caicos. And the little hoodies, but it's too hot for hoodies, but I want a hoodie. I hear that. Oh, but alright, y'all. I didn't really eat nothing from this place. I just got me some fries. Today is really our last day out here. Oh, peek this on. I'm gonna take some more pictures, and that's really it. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got when I get back to the room. But yeah, that's really almost it for this vlog. And that was our Turks and Caicos trip, guys. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna show y'all what all I got. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. This shirt, say Turks. She bought me a sleeping set too. Here you go. Oh, wait. And she bought me a sleeping set. Got Turks on it. And here go the top. I'm gonna wear this when I get back to the house. Matching set. And I bought myself. I bought this cup. It's like a little Yeti tea. It's like a little corn pouch. I bought another one. But this is too cute. Just have it on my wrist. Bought me a little corn pouch. I got two of these actually. It's the other one. And I bought some coasters. This is a shot glass, y'all. They wrapped it up. Bought some keychains. Here go the other one. And I bought me a pen. So cute. And that is it. And I got all that from a store called Mama something. But y'all, this is the end of this vlog. No more Turks. This is the end of my Turks day. Oh my god. But I'm gonna go on and start editing and I will post later. And I will see y'all later. Thanks for watching. And y'all subscribe to me, please.